honor and joy to provide high-level, valuable information from a cosmetic chemist perspective from me to you. Hey YouTube, what's going on? Super excited for this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I'm a cosmetic chemist specializing in natural hair care and the creator of Curly Chemistry, where I help you guys understand products, ingredients in your hair from a cosmetic chemist perspective. And I'll also help you guys start hair care lines as well. And I am so excited for this video because today the Curly Chemistry Natural Hair Care Wisdom Flashcards are finally available for you. And once upon a time, you know, we all came to a place of discovering our hair and how different it is and how unique it is. There's been some challenges, frustration, confusion. So I wanted to create something that caters to our hair type, but not on the surface level. I wanted to go deeper with practical information that works and makes sense. So I have the Natural Hair Care Wisdom Flashcards. It started off with 120 flashcards, but in my opinion, value has no limits. So we are actually at over 160 plus digital flashcards. With that being said, let's take a look at what's inside. So looking at the table of contents, you're going to find valuable information on your hair profiles, oil and butter profiles, the core pieces of your regimen, such as your shampoo, conditioner, your moisturizer, and DIY recipes from me to you. So looking at the hair profiles, you're going to see that I cover porosities in here. Not only porosities, but also looking at gray hair, fine hair, thick hair, type 3, type 4. And you'll notice that on the cards on the upper left corner, there's either going to be an LP or an HP or both. That means that whatever content is on that card, that applies specifically to that porosity type. So I really wanted to cater this specifically based off of your porosity, just so it's more personalized. On the next section, I'm focusing on oil and butter profiles, and I actually have over 30 oils and butters broken down based off of your porosity. And not only that, they are in alphabetical order, okay? Because I wanted to make this as easy as possible for you guys when you are going through the flashcards. The next section focuses on your shampoo, conditioner, and moisturizer. These three are really the core foundation of your hair regimen. So you're going to find a breakdown of multiple ingredients specifically for our hair type that you need to be looking for, including some practical advice such as what's the difference between a clarifying shampoo and a regular shampoo, in addition to what are some foods that you probably have in your refrigerator that can be used as a conditioner and the benefit. And the next section focuses on the PMP method, and in the flashcards I break that down individually to give you guys a better understanding of what that looks like in your regimen. And the last section focuses on some DIY recipes from me to you, and I wanted to make this as easy as possible, so every recipe has at least 4 ingredients or less. I have a scalp exfoliating recipe, a chibi oil recipe, a hydrating mist recipe, a clarifying scalp and hair recipe on there. Once again, 4 ingredients or less. So that encompasses the Natural Hair Care Wisdom Flashcards. Once again, it's over 160 plus digital flashcards. I mean, you can have this on your phone, download it on your phone, so when you are out and about or online shopping for hair care products, once again, it's in alphabetical order. So scroll down, look for that ingredient to see how it's going to benefit your hair. And once again, the first step to help your hair is education, truly learning as much as you can. And yes, there is tons of information online, but there's also tons of wrong information as well. And it is truly my honor and joy to provide high-level, valuable information from a cosmetic chemist perspective from me to you. So thank you guys for watching this video. The link will be below for you to get your copy of the flashcards, also to get more information as well. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more Curly Chemistry content. Next week's video is going to be focusing on scalp exfoliation and how that is a prerequisite for healthy, growing hair. So pretty much how to maximize your growth by exfoliating your scalp. I'm going in depth, as always, the science, all the things, ingredients, all the things. So stay tuned for that video. And the recipe I'll be talking about in that video is in the Natural Hair Care Wisdom Flashcards as well. And last but not least, if you are interested in starting a hair care line to work with me one-on-one, no matter where you are in the world, I have a link below for you with more information. All right, guys, I love you, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.